Hey guys, we got a flat tire. I'm going to show you how to change the inner tube of a bicycle. Okay, so first you need to take the bicycle, flip it upside down, just like that. Alright, let's get the tube. So I got this tube from Amazon. So you have to make sure that you read out the number here. So it should usually would say how many inches and so on. So I got 24 inches, 1.75 as you can see here. So you buy the correct tube. Alright, so first we got to take the wheels off. So use one of these things and find the right size. Put it on. When it comes loose, you can use your hand to take it out. And you do the same thing on the other side. Right here. You can take it out with your hands. And you don't really need to loosen it up all the way, but that's good enough. And there's a screw in here. Let's use the right screwdriver. Take that off too. There you go. It comes off. Then you need to take out the chain off the gear. Just like that. So it comes out easily. Just take it out. So we take it out. Okay, so first you need to take the old tube out. Just put your finger in there. Take that tire from one side and then make sure you start from the valve. Take it out. Pull the old tire out easily. So it must have somewhere some puncture. So pretty sure that's done. Garbage. Let's put the new one in. Okay, so once you take out the tube, make sure to inspect the rim. There's no debris, otherwise it can puncture the tire again. Sorry, the tube. So it's all good. So I'm going to put the new one back in. Take it out of the box. The wrapper. There we go. It's much easier to take the whole tire off and then put the tube inside, just like this, so that you don't need to waste too much time. Just like that. Make sure they're not twisted. It's really easy this way. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to install the tire back in the rim. So make sure to start with where the valve is. Right here. So insert it there. Okay, and just put one side in. So make sure to put the cap back in so that it will lock in place. And just work on the other side. Just keep doing it. It's really easy. When you get to a point, it will be difficult. So that time you will use the screwdriver to get the tire in. But in this case, I didn't have to do it. It went easily, as you can see everywhere. Make sure you inspect it. The tube, inner tube is inside, and just pump the air, or maybe just put it back and then we can pump the air after. Okay, so just put it back in, squeeze it in nice and slow. And if there's a brake in there, just squeeze the brake out. Alright, so we just need to tie it tight as we can. Do the same thing on the other side. That's good. And then the screw back in here. All set. Make sure that it works. Yep. Let's pump some air. Okay, so after you pump the right amount of air, take it out. Don't forget to put the cap back in so that you don't get the dirt inside. And let's flip this guy. Wow, let's go for a test drive. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. It's very easy, you can do by yourself. See you guys all.